2 News anchor Karen Larson takes us into a campground on the east side, packed for the holiday weekend.
Sides ripped open, their belongings everywhere. Kathy Coffey's RV is no longer their home.
We have nothing, but that's okay. God had his hand on us because we could have been killed.
140 of the 190 spaces were filled at the KOA campground next to Will Rogers Downs racetrack in Claremore when the tornado hit. Minutes before, more than 200 people rushed to the shelter provided by the Cherokee Nation, which owns the property.
You can tell from the condition of the RV right behind me that it's a good thing many people took shelter. Now the Coffeys, they were sound asleep when the tornado hit in that bed right there.
Next thing I knew, it was there. We couldn't do nothing.
Emergency crews pulled them out.
It looks like you got hurt.
I did. I tore off a toenail. I got scratches everywhere. He's got scratches everywhere.
She and her husband survived when their home rolled over, and so did their dogs. But they can't find their cat or their phone. Nina Howery helped search. She drove all the way from High Hill, southeast of McAllister, to help. She grew up here.
We've been picking up a lot of stuff, finding some cell phones and handing out water, things like that. So whatever we can do.
Heavy-duty wreckers went from one camper to the next, righting toppled trailers like the Connors, who stopped here on their way home to Pennsylvania.
We thought it was going to pass us by, and it was direct hit.
The twister toppled their RV, and it can't be driven. They spent the night in the tornado shelter.
Advice for anyone when there's a tornado warning, go get shelter, because we saw a lot of bloody people that either couldn't get there or decided to ride it out, and they got tossed.
As for the Coffeys, starting over feels overwhelming.
Can't imagine how hard it would be to look at this and think this is my life right here.
Yeah. I don't know. I'm just grateful to be alive. And so is my husband.
With no power and no water, everyone is being asked to leave until the campground can be restored. In Claremore, Karen Larson, 2 News Oklahoma.